31 people in New Zealand are currently awaiting test results for the Covid-19 coronavirus. But tests on the 2 people who were feared to be carrying the virus today came back negative. The Ministry of Health's Healthline yesterday had more calls than it has ever had, with over 1,600 people phoning, mainly about the coronavirus. Now that's around 80% more than the same day last year. There have been 155 tests for the virus so far, with only one returning a positive result for Covid-19. That person remains in Auckland Hospital, where their condition continues to improve. At a press briefing today, Director General of Health Dr Ashley Bloomfield said authorities still believe the chances of an outbreak in the wider community in New Zealand is low.
We're continuing, though, to expect sporadic cases, but we have public health measures and border measures in place that will improve our chances, not just of preventing cases coming in, but of identifying cases early and putting in appropriate measures to contain and prevent further spread.
New Zealand health officials are continuing to liaise with their counterparts in Australia and elsewhere in the world, with the Prime Minister's Chief Science Advisor, Juliet Gerrard, taking part in a teleconference organised by the White House with global health leaders. At the border, the government continues to ramp up restrictions on people travelling from the worst-hit countries.
We are also now expecting people coming in from South Korea and from northern Italy, the 3 provinces in the north of Italy, to self-isolate for 14 days to help reduce the risk that anyone who might be infected but asymptomatic from those regions coming into New Zealand could spread it. And those are the 2 regions where at the moment, in addition to Iran, there is the highest level of ongoing community transmission. We're particularly concerned about Iran, and you know that has been added to the small list that included China only previously, where we are not allowing people to come into New Zealand unless they are Kiwis.
Ashley Bloomfield says the fact they've managed to keep coronavirus out of the country for so long gives New Zealand a real advantage in containing its spread, because it's allowed health workers to watch the way the virus behaves and the impact of various control measures. Globally, more than 3,000 people have died from the coronavirus and about 88,000 have been infected.